Hello, traders, and welcome to the Genius Chart community where we are focusing on institutional market sentiment and are tapping into uncharted potentials here. So, today, what we're taking a look at is the Euro and USD. But before that, let's actually take a look at last week's trade, which was the Great Britain and US dollar. This trade was given, it is a private analysis. It was given out on October 4th, 2018, and our Facebook community here, and also the GC Mastery Group Slack community. I am very happy with this trade. We've been in this trade for about 4 days, maybe now. And we are hours away from smashing through that take profit. I would say about 100 to 200 pips in this trade. I haven't really made the calculations yet, but our profit is very much up there. I'm very happy with this trade, and I know everyone else is too. If you want to receive pending orders for setups like this, click on and right in the description we have a free Facebook mastery group that you could join and then be alerted every time we have analysis here, regardless if we have the videos up or not. So we're back to the Euro USD trade. What we have been looking at in the recent months is how the supply has been pushing this market down into a very interesting area here. Now we have a monthly demand way down here, but as you can see, this dotted area, these dotted lines are actually representing our weekly demand areas that we have here. So now the market is near this weekly demand and has been pushing away from it with a few speed on the daily and 4-hour charts here. Now what we're looking for is really a shift in momentum. As of right now, we do not see really any opposing supply except for maybe in this area right here on the daily. Now let's actually go down to the daily here and see. So this is the setup that we have now. This area, which is our weekly demand, this dotted line, I want to actually show you how important this area has been and has been holding in the past year. So down, this is a MetaTrader terminal here, and I want to go to the monthly. Let's go back to the monthly chart here and notice this area. All right, I know this is a lot of data. Now this is way back in 2015, but notice that the whole 2015 year, the euro tried to break this price around the 1.14 area, and it could not, absolutely could not. It breached 1.16, and the rejection and price was so strong it went right back down and traded right below it. And again, it tried it in 2016, February 2016, and it failed again and dropped. Until then, it rise and actually finally succeeded. And as you can see here on this very nice downtrend, after succeeding, and went up there and found its rejection again on this opposing area here and dropped. So right about now, on the weekly, we are right back in this area. It did breach once, but as the strength of the price is strong, it breached it, pierced through it, and moved away from it immediately. And right now we're seeing sort of like the same thing on the weekly time frame. And if you could even go down to our daily chart here, we've actually been chilling in this area, been spending a lot of time in this area. So right now I'm noticing that, especially from the latest CFTC data that's coming out, that came out last week, I noticed that the institutions are in fact closing their short orders and accumulating and adding more long orders. So now we are not sure yet on when a momentum shift is about to change. It is still fairly early on during the day. It is October 10th, roughly 8:45 a.m. So the daily candle is working, is doing its work. We're looking for the candle to actually close outside our trend line here. And if it breaks and new day opens up around 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, above this candle, we will be looking to take this trade. We are also dropping few pending orders on the Facebook group. So if you want to take these pending orders with you so you can get in this trade with us, feel free to do so. Now, in my opinion, I think that is going to play out just like the Great Britain pound US dollar trade. We're just going to have to see and be patient and wait until the market makers show us their hand and allow us to take this trade with them. Now, again, traders, always plan your trade and trade your plan. I hope everyone keeps on moving forward and keeps on getting better. I hope everyone have a great week. Stay tuned for more videos to come.